Chicken and dumplings are a comfort food, especially on cold days. Though I'm a fan of cooking with bone-in chicken for its greater nutritional value and flavor, I find that boneless, skinless chicken thighs work better in this recipe. Start by adding flour, salt, and pepper to a plate and lightly coat each piece of chicken. Add some oil to a Dutch oven or stock pot, and then brown your chicken on each side. Working in batches until all the chicken is browned. Then add more oil and saute your onion and celery until clear. Then add the potatoes, the garlic, then add your remaining ingredients, along with a quart of chicken stock or chicken broth. Add your chicken, cover, and bake for 1 hour. While it's baking, you can prepare your dumplings. Start by adding your dry ingredients, then cut in your butter, add the wet ingredients, and stir just until the flour is incorporated. Don't overhandle these, but form them into small dumplings. After an hour, remove your chicken from the oven and add your dumplings. Meanwhile, you can be increasing your oven temperature to 450 degrees. Then cover and return this to the 450 degree oven for 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more comfort food like creamy grits and sausage and one-pot chicken tetrazzini.